To realize ESG, Qinfeng is introducing green design and intelligent mechanical thinking to develop more economical, more efficient, and higher value-added products. Direct drive servo forging press. The frame rigidity is intensified through FEM, and the frame structure reduces redundant materials properly. Achieves lightweight, material saving, and reduces energy consumption. Our presses meet domestic power mechanical punching and shearing press machine certification. Equipped with energy-saving devices. The press operational process harnesses regenerated currents, reducing carbon footprint by effectively recycling energy during operations. The direct drive servo forging press integrates intelligent manufacturing to meet the energy-saving needs, environmental protection, precision, and compound demand. We break with tradition, adapt to the special forming materials for new energy vehicles, and meet the needs of various industries. A variety of intelligent processing curves are built in, which can automatically adjust parameters to meet the needs of different materials and improve material utilization and production efficiency. Equipped with the iForming Intelligent Productivity Management System developed by Qinfeng. It realizes real-time delivery of equipment information and production data on the cloud. Through the management dashboard, unnecessary maintenance and idleness can be avoided. Efficient process management can be achieved. And environmental protection production with high quality and low energy consumption can be ensured. Since 1948, Qinfeng has consistently upheld innovation, with 398 employees and 10% revenue for R&D investment, highlighting our unwavering commitment to technology and industry development. Through comprehensive quality control, we ensure that every detail meets high standards, thus reflecting our precise understanding of customer needs and our commitment to quality in our products. With a global network of facilities and over 20 marketing agents, Qinfeng has established a comprehensive service network to ensure that customers receive the most extensive support.